Hi, welcome to the series Learn Excel in 24 hours. In this video, we'll understand how to use the graphs or charts option. For the reference file, we'll take the SBIN master file. Specifically from this file, what we'll do is we'll select all the data from the date column and the close price column and paste them onto a fresh workbook. Now in the fresh workbook, where we just have the date column and the close price column, we select all the data that is available. Then we go to the insert menu, and over there is a bar chart button. So we click on the bar chart button and select an option, and we have a graph function put together. You can see a graph that is being displayed. To understand charts better, what we will do is we will move the chart to a separate sheet so that we can only see the chart. To do that, what we do is we take the mouse to the chart area, right click, and there is one option which says move chart. So we select that option and click on separate sheet. So now we have a sheet which only has the graph so that we can understand the chart parts better. Now if we just have a look at the data that is there, the close price has never gone below 125 and it has not gone above 375. The reason why I mentioned this is, we want to make the graph as visually appealing as possible and to be able to make sense out of the data that it is representing. So what we can do is we can specify the axis boundaries. So we go to the axis boundaries and specify the lower limit of the axis as 125 and the upper limit of the axis as 375. So those unnecessary long bars that were coming in, which had no data points as such, the whole thing becomes more representative on the basis of values that we are tracking. Now that we've done that, we can also select the graph area and change colors by using the change colors button. We can do this for some specific bars as well. Also, you can see on top, Excel allows you to use multiple layouts. If you look at the menu options over there, once you are in the chart area, you can see that there is a list. There are a lot of inbuilt layouts and we can choose a layout that we want. Let's say that instead of the bar chart, we want to use the line chart. To do that, the data remains the same. All that we do is we go to the chart area, right click, and select the chart type option and then go to line and then select one of the line chart options as well. When we do that, if we observe the menu bar carefully, automatically some different kind of inbuilt layouts are populated by Excel because we moved from the bar chart to the line chart area. Again, we can experiment with the color and layout options that are there on the menu to decide on a visually appealing chart type. We can also select and change the chart title as per what we want. All that we need to do is take the mouse over there and type in the specific chart title that we want. If we feel that too much data has been crammed into one chart, we can go to the select data option and then change the data range. Like initially we've had 900 plus rows of data and the graph is looking too crammed. So maybe what we can do is just go in for the first 500 rows of data to begin with and press OK. So automatically the shape of the graph will change according to the series that we have selected. So I would encourage you to try different permutations and combinations to understand these graph functions better. We will be covering some more graphs later as well. Thank you.